What's up everybody, my name is Kasper Nørgaard and today we're going to talk about this cheap quick release system. So if you have seen my review of the Falcon Eyes F7, you might have seen this quick release system which some of you asked for. And this quick release system was used together with my Falcon Eyes F7 in the review I did, where I showed how easy I could attach or detach the light from the camera or the light stand. And it's that easy. I'm using most of these for my lights and other accessories so I can attach or detach my accessories very quickly. First, I just bought one of these just to test it out and see if they are any good. Then I bought a couple more. They are very cheap, so I could really use this, a lot of these without breaking the bank. And I'm using these on a lot of different accessories. It could be on a small tripod. It could be on a magic arm hanging from the ceiling. It could be from all my light stands where I could attach very quickly all my smaller lights or other accessories. So I think this is very neat. So I could very well use this on a little tripod like this. Detach this light and put it on this one. So right now I have a table version that is also very neat. I have a different setup over here where I'm just having a magic arm together with the light. You could also use this together with your microphone, but you need to know that you are placing the microphone in a static position, which means you don't have to boom it around just like this, but have it in a static position above your head so you quickly can detach or attach or assemble all of the gear for a shoot. You need to know this because there is a little bit of play in this one. So as you can hear, it's not much, but if you're booming with it, it's not good. Else it works perfectly. So if we take a quick look at the product, it reminds of a screwdriver bit for your mechanical screwdriver, which fits in here. There is a little spring in here so it will not be detached, and you have a threaded thing up here and a little thread in the bottom. So take a look in the description below and find links for these quick release systems. These links are affiliated, which means that I will get a small commission on each purchase, but you will not pay anything extra. This is a partner program that Amazon or eBay is doing together with me. So please help me making more videos like this with buying the products with the links below. And leave me a comment if you have a question or something else you want me to take a look at. And I will see you in the future.